I'm Tom West. I'm a solicitor at Ashtons Legal, specialising in medical negligence. The team here at Ashtons represent a wide variety of clients and families all across the country and with varying different injuries. We specialise in claims relating to any type of injury that's occurred as a result of medical negligence, including brain injuries, strokes or amputations. Examples of poor treatment that we often see that may have resulted in a potentially avoidable amputation include cases with treatment of diabetics, particularly diabetic foot infections and ulcers that, if not treated properly and promptly, might result in the loss of tissue and the need for an amputation. We also see delays in diagnosis of cancer, where a tumour has spread to the extent that amputation becomes the only option. Amputations often also happen following improper vascular treatment or delays in diagnosis of an infection, where they spread to the extent that amputation is required. We also see amputations following surgical errors, so it might be an orthopaedic or a vascular surgeon, or any operation where the blood flow becomes compromised. And in each of these cases, the key question is whether or not alternative treatment might have avoided that loss of the limb. In most cases, a clinical negligence claim needs to be brought within 3 years of the date of injury or the date of knowledge that negligence might have occurred. In the case of child, that 3-year clock actually starts from the date of the 18th birthday. And in the case of somebody who lacks capacity, for any reason, potentially an incidental brain injury, then the time limit does not run until they regain capacity, and if they don't, then there is no time limit in those circumstances. In terms of the length of the claim itself, amputation claims are very complex, and the issues about the liability might take a while, but also there needs to be extensive investigations into the impact that the amputation had on your future life and any future needs. So it might take several years for the whole process to be complete. So whilst each case is different, we typically see that amputation claims involve compensation for the pain and suffering and loss of amenity as a result of the injury itself, but also awards for loss of earnings or any other financial impact that might have arisen as a result of the amputation. This could include the cost of physiotherapy or other therapy treatments and past and future care losses, whether this is professional care that you need for the rest of your life, or even the care that your friends and family might be offering. We can also claim for prosthetics and any other mobility aids you might need, or adaptations to your house or vehicle, so a specialist vehicle. It can also be included in the claim if needed. If you come to us with a medical negligence claim, we have a really experienced and well-qualified team who will be able to assist no matter what your injury might be. We are also able to assist with accessing welfare benefits or making any applications to the court protection if they're needed. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact us via our inquiry form on the website.